great. I am so bored as heck. I don't know what to do while I am still grounded. So yeah, what should I do today? Oh, I think I have an idea for today. I am going to steal a police car on the police station. That way, this will be so hilarious. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so here is the police car. And now I'm going to steal it. Ha 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 ha. Oh wow, this is the best car that I drove. Now I'm going to make them fast.
Oh great. Stupid Anthony is at it again.
Yeah. Now he is going to cause more trouble again.
I agree with you, Haley and Lucy. And now, he literally stole a police car in the police station. He literally goes fast with that police car.
Seriously. Anthony is going to get arrested for stealing police car. And because of this, I have to call the police on him.
Wow, that was very fun to drive with police car. Oh crap, is the police officer. I'm screwed.
Anthony, get off the car right now. Anthony, come with me to jail right now. You're under arrest for stealing the police car.
Wow. Just freaking wow, Anthony. We can't believe that you stole police car at the police station. And thanks to you, now we need to pay a lot of bills, and you even got arrested.
I agree with your father, Anthony. So this means you will be grounded until you get released from jail. Goodbye, you useless pieces of crap.
This is so not fair. I can't believe that I got sent to jail for stealing the police car.